I don't like to create PowerPoint presentation. That's the reason I always look for opportunities of new AI tools which can help me to generate my PowerPoint presentations. Today, I'll show you another new way to generate PowerPoint presentations, and that too using NotebookLM. Earlier, this feature was not available inside Google NotebookLM, but recently they have introduced this new feature. Let me show you very quickly how can you use it. So currently I'm in Google homepage, and if I just type NotebookLM, then you will be able to see this kind of result. I'll click on Google NotebookLM, and there I'll click on Try NotebookLM. Now it will directly load my interface. I've been using it for some time now. If you have not used NotebookLM earlier, you can use your Google credentials to log in. For our purposes, you don't need to take any of the paid plan or anything. Your free tier will work like a charm. So here, let me show you a few of the things. First of all, I can create a new notebook. Now, whenever I click on the create notebook, NotebookLM will give you certain options. So you can import your own files, your different website links. You can give access to your drive, and you can also copy certain text. So these are the things you can import as a source to NotebookLM. Now on top of that, you can also do one thing. You can come here and you can type your requirement, and it will search the web. It will pull out all those requirements and it will bring it here. So this is the way you can do. I already have few of the videos where I covered how can you use NotebookLM. You can check those links and you will be able to understand a bit more. But here I'm going to take a different approach. I will use another tool to find out all those source links which I need. So I'll open a new tab. I will go to perplexity.ai, and if I hit enter, then you will be able to see this kind of interface. Now, if you are in India using your Airtel connection, Perplexity AI Pro plan is free for 1 year. Get it enabled. You just need to download Airtel Thanks app on your mobile, and from there you will be able to get it. So let me know in case you need the steps, then I'll be producing another video covering those steps also. Now here, what I've done, let me show you. I have already written one prompt here that I need to give a presentation to a group of aspirant YouTubers on how to start and grow YouTube channel. So this is, I'm not going to do that because I really need that advice also. And I asked for the different links. And after my prompt, it gave me different links. And now you can see these are the number of links it gave me. So what I need to do, I'll just copy those links. First of all, it never gave me all those links directly, and then I asked for give me all links in plain text format, and then only I got this output. So if you are not getting that output after using the first prompt, then use the second one. I will add all these prompts in comments below so that you can just copy from there. Now let me come back to NotebookLM. Here I'll click on upload a source, and I'll go to websites because I have already copied all those links here. And then I'll paste it here. I'll click on insert. Now NotebookLM will search all those links and it will pull details from there. So this is the way normally NotebookLM works. And it finds all those sources, and from there it will pull in all those details. Currently you can see it's getting information from more than 50 different sources, right? So this is the way it normally does. You will be also able to see there will be certain links in case it's not able to access. There you can go to these 3 dots and click on remove all failed sources. Then it will clean up everything. Now you have only sources from where you can get the data. Now this is ready. Now the next step is, if you come here, you can see slide deck, and that is on beta. So if I click on this pen icon, then I'll be getting few of the options. 2 different things are there. One is a detailed deck, and second one is a presenter slide. Now detailed one, it will give you a detailed walkthrough, and slides also will be bit of a text heavy. If you are clicking on the presenter slide, this slide will have a lesser amount of text. That's as per the testing, whatever I have done that I see. Now you will be able to choose your language. There are multiple different options other than English also that you can choose. The length is short or default. Currently I'm going ahead with default. Now, if you have any specific requirement, that also you can describe here in this prompt. As of now, I'm just going ahead with the normal one, and I'll click on generate. It will work on that and it will generate. But for now, to save the time of this video, normally it takes some time, more than 15 minutes, 20 minutes also. I already generated this content and let me show you what it generated. I followed the same prompt, all those things. So if I come back here, you will be able to see one option here, that YouTube growth strategy. And this is also 42 sources. Currently, we are also working on the 42 sources. So it's the same thing. I just created it 2 days back. Now, if I click on it, then you will be able to see it generated this PowerPoint presentation. So if I click on it, then it generated the presentation and those will be visible. If I click on the first one, so this is the slide it generated. This is the first slide. This is second. You can see all those text, all those designs, everything included, and this is bit of text heavy, but it contains good amount of valuable inputs. I was actually going through and some of the inputs were really helpful for me also. I'm planning to incorporate as part of my YouTube journey. You can see all these slides it generated, and that too just using few of the prompts, right? So this is one very important feature NotebookLM recently introduced, using which you will be able to generate this type of slide. Now, once these slides are ready, there are a few things. You can click on this particular play button and you will be able to present it from here itself. So all those things you will be able to do. Another way is you can download. Now, download is only available as a PDF version. As of now, it's only giving the PDF version, not in PPTX format. So hopefully Google will introduce that particular option also down the line. You can see it's a 15 MB of PDF file and I am getting that output. Only two things which can improve down the line. First of all, if we get this particular output in PPTX format, that will be really helpful, because we may not need everything all the time, right? Some of the times we may need to edit. Second thing, one watermark is there, that is NotebookLM is written here. There are options. You can convert any of the PDF to PPT. So those applications are also there. I earlier published one video where I covered multiple different tools. I'll also add that particular link in the description below. Using those tools also, you will be able to convert any of the PDF to PPT. But this is the way it generates. Now, let me show you a few more things. This is one version of the PPT it generated, which is in text heavy, because I use the detailed one. Another version also it generated. So this is not that text heavy. It is bit of for the presenter slide. If I come here, you will be able to see. So this is another slide it generated where images are a bit more prominent, where not that kind of text depth, right? So these are the things you can see. So this is the way you will be able to use NotebookLM to get PowerPoint presentation generated. If you want to know how can you generate PowerPoint presentations using other 3 different AI tools, and on those cases, those presentations will be editable because you'll be able to download it as PPTX format. Check out this video where I covered 3 different tools in a single video, using which you'll be able to generate stunning PowerPoint presentations.